Namaste students, hope you all are fit and fine, and today I am going to explain the last, or we can say third extract of the poem Rain on the Roof by Korskine. And as you can see, I have already written the extract in front of you on the board, so I will explain each and everything with its meaning. And read the first line. Now in the memories comes my mother. Now in the memories comes my mother. So as the poet lies in his bed listening to the pattering sound of the falling raindrops on the roof tiles. As the poet lies in his bed listening to the pattering sound of the falling rain on the roof tiles, so it reminds the poet of his mother. Means around there are a lots of memories into his mind, and around a lots of memories there emerges one memories, that is of his mother. Falling raindrops reminds the poet of his mother. There are lots of memories into his mind, and there emerges one memory, that is of his mother. And what happens, students? He remembers, and the poet remembers, he remembers that how her mother used to look at him and his children affectionately. How her mother, the poet remembers that how her mother used to look at him and his siblings affectionately before she went to her bed for the night, leaving them for the night and to meet them again into the early morning. So this is a now in my memories, means the poet means to say that falling raindrops reminds the poet of his mother. Let me write this line for you. Falling raindrops reminds the poet of his mother, as she used in years ago. Means when she was alive and she used to look affectionately at him. I will write it on the board. He remembers how she used to look affectionately at him and his siblings before she went to her bed for the night and to meet them again into the, or not into, sorry, in the morning. Means the poet wanted to say that he remembers how her mother used to look at them affectionately when before she went to her bed for the night and to meet them again into the morning, or in the morning, sorry. So darling dreamers means the poet's brother and sister and his siblings. And this word she left them till dawn. So I have told you that she used to look them affectionately before she left them, before she went to her bed for the night and to meet them again into the dawn. Dawn means early morning. Early morning means when you get up in the morning and when your sun is not in the sky but still there was light outside. So that time period before the sunrise is known as, when there is light outside and sun is not in the sky, so this time period before the sunrise is known as early morning, that we call dawn. So she left. What is the meaning of is an archaic word used by the poet to create a musical or lyrical effect into the poem. It has no meaning. And I feel her fond look means when the poet listens the sound of the music, that is sound of the music, when the poet listens the sound or the music that is being played by the falling raindrops on the roof tiles. So he feels as if her mother was looking at him affectionately, because every mother has a lots of affection and love for their child. But the poet was feeling, it seems to the poet when he listens to this music, this sound, it seems to poet that as if her mother was again looking at her and full of affection and full of love into her eyes. So this is what the poet want to make us understand, means that this type of comparison a normal human being cannot make. If you have to means this type of interpretation, only sensitive hearts, everybody has seen the rain falling, everybody has seen the rain falling, even we also have seen the rain falling, but every human being have some memories that are related to the rain. Lots of festivals we organize in the rainy season. So the rain which is discussed into the poem is not a heavy downpour. This is a light, you can say this is a drizzle, this is a light rain that is very pleasing and comforting to everyone. So when it falls on the roof tiles of the poet, it gives him lots of pleasure. It creates a deep and profound effect on poet's mind and heart, and it reminds him of her mother. And now he was saying that he feels that as if her mother was looking at him. It means her mother has already died. Sorry, his mother has already died. She has passed away. But the rain also connects the poet's present with his past, because her mother, death of his mother was a thing of past. But rain is falling now on the rooftop, on the roof tiles, and he was listening to the music that is created by the falling raindrops. So this in this way, when he reminds of his mother, so rain is connecting his present with his past. Like every human being, poet also remembers his mother, because some human being remember their brother, some sister, some father, some sights, some fragrances. Lots of things are there in our mind. So this is the basic nature of human being, and lots of memories, lots of past memories are associated with lots of past memories are associated with rain. Same is the case as I list. List is not a complete word. It means listen. As I listen to this refrain. Refrain is a figure of speech, but here in this extract, as I listen to this refrain, when the poet listens to the music of the rain, when the rain falls on his rooftop, on the roof tiles, it creates a music. When the poet listens to it, which is being played upon the shingles, means which is played by the rain on the shingles. You know that shingles, you know that poet has tried to draw a comparison. You know that music is played on the brass plates, sometimes circle, sometimes rectangular plates with the stick. So that's why the poet tried to make a comparison. When the rain falls on the rectangular tiles, it creates a music. You know that we always play music this way, and rain is falling upon the sky, falling from the sky, and it is falling on the rectangular tiles. So it is playing this way. So which is being played on the shingles by the patter of the rain. By the patter of the rain means when rain falls, it creates a sound, and it is creating a music. It is creating a music on the shingles. So when the poet listens to it, he feels that as if his mother was looking at him, because he can still experience the loving look of his mother when he listens to this sound. I think I have made everything clear to you. So if you have any problem in this extract, any word meaning or anything you want to know, you can SMS me, or you can write in comment section. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, stay safe.